Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be walking you through an easy guide on how to add or connect stand to stream. So if you want to add or connect your stream to your stand store, here's a quick guide for that. So the first thing you do is to make sure you go to your website and put in your URL, which is stand.store, and sign in into your account using your account credentials. So from there you have to go to the settings. So from your dashboard, click the settings option in the left hand menu and scroll down and select payment method or payout settings. Then from there you can choose your stream. So click connect stream or add stream account. So a new window will pop up. So sign in to your stream account on that page and or create new one if you don't have it yet. Then after that you have to authorize connection. So click authorize access to allow stand store to connect with stream. Now once connected, you will be redirected back to your stand store dashboard. You should now see stream listed as your active payment method, and that's how you can easily connect or add stand store to your account. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.